Today we are going to learn an astrologer's day, a line by line explanation of the text. Let us start with the first paragraph. Punctually at midday, he opened his bag. The word punctually it means at a proper time. For example, there were two trains arrived punctually. It means on the proper time. At midday, it means the time of afternoon. He opened his bag. He means the astrologer and spread out his professional equipment. Professional equipment, the equipment which are useful for doing a business or any profession. All the things he carry with him in his bag, all this equipment he spread out when where he was there. Now, which are the equipment that consisted of dozen cowrie. Now this cowrie it means a sea animal whose cells are used for various purposes. Now this kind of cell generally we use in worshipping, or some astrologers are uses sorry use these cells, that is called cowrie cells. A square piece of cloth with obscure mystic chart. Now this one piece of cloth which has a size, that is square size, that chart, it means obscure means difficult to understand, and mystic means something that relates to supernatural power and is not easily understood, or magical. So this magical chart which cannot be understood easily by any other people or common people, those who are not related to astrology, the astrologers only can read this chart. That kind of chart he brought with him, a notebook and a bundle of palmyra writing. Now palmyra writing book is that palmyra, the word palmyra indicate a kind of palm which yields a wide range of useful products. That this palmyra word also referred in Hebrew Bible, where it is said that a King Solomon of Israel built one city named Tadmor. That was a desert city that was named after this Palmyra. Palmyra is also one Asian fan-leaved plant or tree like timber. So that here in this lesson, Palmyra means a kind of palm which yields a wide range of useful products. Okay. Now which things he carry in his bag: shells, square piece of cloth, and obscure mystic chart, one notebook, and a bundle of Palmyra writing, which is generally very useful in this field, which astrology field. His forehead was resplendent. Now this resplendent means a bright, shining, and impressive. His forehead was very bright with sacred ash. Sacred ash means powder, a holy powder, white colors or brownish color or orange color that we apply on our forehead. That is sacred ash. And vermilion. Vermilion in our mother tongue it is called a sindur. So his forehead was resplendent, means bright, with a sacred ash and vermilion, and his eyes sparkled. Here, sparkled means shine, bright, with a flashlight, sparkled, with a sharp, abnormal gleam. Again, word come gleam means again shine or bright. Okay, which was really an outcome of a continual searching look for customers. Now his traditional costume is explained here with his equipment also. He applied a vermilion on his forehead. His eyes are sparkled, means waiting for someone, shine brightly with a sharp abnormal gleam, which was really an outcome of continual searching look for customer. By looking his eyes we can easily understand that he is waiting for someone. He was waiting for customer, but which is simple clients took to be a prophetic light. Now the word here prophetic, it means this word prophetic, accurately predicting what will happen to the future. Okay, so the client which will come to know about their future, that are prophetic light and felt comforted. So but which simple client he expected, such kind of clients or customers should come to him, those who really want to know more about their future. After knowing the future they will feel comfortable. The power of his eyes was considerably enhanced. Enhanced means here increased or developed. The power of his eyes was considerably enhanced by their position placed as they were between the painted forehead and the dark whisker. Now his power means how his situation was, their position placed as they were between painted forehead. His forehead was painted by vermilion, other shaded ash, and dark whisker. Whiskers means here mustache. His black mustache was there, which streamed down his cheeks. The word streamed means here uh, run down or flow down. His mustaches are flowing down his cheeks. Even a half-wit eyes would sparkle in such a setting. It means if anybody looks at him, it will be sparkle, means shine brightly with flashlight, that he can understand that person whose appearance is like this, it is nothing but a astrologer. To crown the effect, now in the to crown the effect means additionally he found wound a saffron uh, colored turban. Here wound actually it means here injury, but here he wound means he uh, uh, put around a saffron colored turban around his head. That is also one suitable costume of an astrologer. This color scheme never failed. This saffron color. Now actually we see the costume of this astrologer sadhu sant. They wear this kind of dhoti and turban around the neck or head. That is generally white color or saffron color. So that is this color scheme never failed. People were attracted to him as bees are attracted to a cosmos. Now like a bees, honeybees are attracted to cosmos. Cosmos is one kind of flower tree. Okay, so type of flowering plant which generally these bees attract to uh, take nectar from the tree. Or dahila stalk. Now dahila is another flower plant which is related to daisy family. Okay, so this like dahila or cosmos flower tree, the bees attracted to this kind of flower plant. In the same way people attracted to this astrologer. He sat under a bough of spreading tamarind tree here, which flanked a path. A tree is their huge tree. Flanked means to be situated at the side of path. Path means road. The tamarind tree was situated at the side of road running through the town hall park. So there was there was one town hall park, that side road. At that road one tamarind tree was there, and he sat under the branch of tamarind tree. It was a remarkable place in many ways. How many ways? Because that is one central place, that was a place uh, at market area. So it is called remarkable place in many ways. A surging. Now the word surging here, it indicate the meaning of crowd people moving suddenly here and there. That's why it is called marketplace. A surging crowd, a crowd of people moving suddenly. Crowd was always moving up and down this narrow road from morning till night. Whole day the road is busy with the crowd of the people. So in that crowded place the astrologer sat. A variety of trades and occupation were represented all along its way. So different kind of trades and business carry over on this place. Name of business is also given here. Medicine sellers, some ayurvedic medicine, some powder medicine, or some people bring different kind of medicinal plant stocks leaves, and they set around the road for selling this kind of medicine. So medicine sellers are there. Sellers of stolen hardware and junk. Now stolen hardware means some kind of, you can say, chor bazar. So like this stolen hardware, they also are there, they are selling their hardware here. Magicians are there. And above all, means addition to this, an auctioneer cheap cloth. Now this auctioneer word, it means who conduct auctions. Auctions means who uh, public sale. Now we see the public sales are, they shout for selling their clothes. In short, in mother tongue it is called lilav. Okay, lilav karne. So here they do auctions of cheap clothes. Okay, wholesale clothes. Like this they shouting for selling their clothes. Who created enough din. Here din, here it is called commotion or noisy disturbance. Now because of their shouting, it create a noisy disturbance in bazaar all day to attract the whole town. So generally all the businesses are there. Medicinal sellers are there, sellers of stolen hardware, magician, and this kind of auctioneer, they are shouting for selling their clothes in the cheap rate. That noise disturb to other people and that attract to the whole town to the cloth. Next to him, next to this clothes shop, in vociferousness. Now this word vociferousness, it means being noisy and loud. Because of this loudness, vociferous, came a vendor of fried groundnut. One vendor is there who sell groundnut, fried groundnut, that also shouting, and that is one, that is that noise also addition to this disturbance again. Who gave his ware a fancy name each day. Now for selling the groundnut, he attract the people by calling different kind of names to his groundnut. For example, a Bombay ice cream one day, and on the next day he will call Delhi almond. For what? For his groundnut. Okay, and by this he will attract to the people towards him for selling the groundnut. And on the third, Rajas delicacy also. These names are there: Bombay ice cream, Delhi almond, Rajas delicacy are used for selling the groundnut by a vendor, and so on and so forth. And people flock to him. People flock to him means people generally attract to him for taking this kind of groundnut. A considerable portion of this crowd dallied. Now the word dallied here, it means wasted time or move slowly also. Two meanings are there. Considerably portion of this crowd, these people, those who are crowded there, they move slowly, move before the astrologer too, while selling, purchasing all the things in the market. Then their eyes fall upon the astrologer, and they move to the astrologer also. Now the role of astrologer come here. The astrologer transacted. Now transacted means conduct or carry out. The astrologer conduct his business by the light of flare. The flare means a fire flame which crackled. Crackle means make rapid succession of sharp noise. Crackle, sharp noise and smoked up above the groundnut heap nearby. Now in the near there is a groundnut cellar, and that groundnut are how fried are there. It means that groundnut he is selling the groundnut by giving temperature by this kind of flame, that is called fried groundnut. So half the enhancement, here enhancement word came again. It means magical, sorry, enhancement not enchantment. Enchantment, magical effect or charm. Half the enchantment of the place was due to the fact that it did not have the benefit of municipal lighting. Now this place come under municipal area. There is a municipal street light also, but half the enchantment of the place, half the magical effect of the place was due to the fact that it did not have the benefit of municipal lighting. It means municipal lighting's use is not for this kind of people here. The place was lit up by shop light. Now their shops are there. The owner of the shop, they keep their light there themselves, so they use their own lights, shop lights. One or two had hissing gas light. Some people have their gas light with them, which generally called hissing gas light. And some had naked flare stuck on poles. Now naked flare means only fire lamp which stuck on poles. Some were lit up by old cycle lamp. Some are having their cycle. To that cycle there is a lamp. They can do their work under the lamp of cycle. And are one two like the astrologer. Now here astrologer, there one or two people like astrologer manage without light of their town own. Okay, the astrologer here they don't need light, so they manage without light their businesses. So it was a bewildering, again new word came. Bewildering means confusing or puzzling. So it was a bewildering crisscross of light rays and moving shadows. Now these light which have number of lights are there, these are like a crisscross of light rays and moving shadows of this light. So thus suited the astrologer very well. This light which falls on the area of astrologer, which is free for him, so they he take benefit of this light. So that is suited the astrologer very well, for the simple reason that he had not in the least intended to be an astrologer. Now generally actually he is not an real astrologer, so he can hide himself from the dark, sorry, from the light. So his appearance cannot be easily understood by the people. So that's why it is beneficial for astrologer. So here it is said he had not in the least intended to be an astrologer. He is not generally, his aim was not to become astrologer. He is not a astrologer by profession when he began his life, and he know no more what was going to happen to others. Now astrologer means what? Those who can read the future of other, they can predict what will happen in the future in that life, in the person's life. But he generally didn't know about these things. So then he knew what was going to happen to himself next minute, that he come to know that if people can get that he is not a general astrologer, so what will happen with him, his future he understood, he know, but he is not, he doesn't know about the people or his customers future. So he was as much a stranger to the stars as were his innocent customers. So he was a stranger, like the customers are stranger to him, He was also stranger for the customer, unknown. Okay, he was as much as stranger to the stars. So stars, as much stranger to the star means what? He he doesn't know the knowledge about the stars. Now astrologers should know. They read the stars and planet and calculating the stars and Shani, Shukra, Mangal like this, and they will say the future. But he was strange. He didn't know any single knowledge about the stars, as where his innocent customers also don't know about the knowledge of the star. So yet he said the things which pleased and astonished everyone, even though he used to speak very comfortably to the customer and astonish everyone, and that was more a matter of study, practice, and shrewd guesswork. So the talking, speaking with the people, attracting towards him, that is matter of a study or of the practice or shrewd. SHREW means good judging people, the knowledge of judgment of the people. He is so clever and sharp. He guess the behavior or he guess what would happen with the man. So that knowledge he had here. So it is the matter of study, practice, and should guess work. All the same, it was as much as honest man's labor as any other, and he deserved the wages he carried home at the end of a day. Like this, he will to speak the people, and he carry whatever earnings happen by telling the future of the people. That earning he used to carry at his home at the end of the day. Till here we'll stop. Now let us go through some grammatical evaluation of the paragraph. So first line, see, punctually at midday he opened his bag. This is one main clause. He spread out his professional equipment. This is another clause which is connected by conjunction and. It is called compound sentence. So this compound sentence can be asked in exam to change into a simple sentence or complex sentence. So simple sentence we can do by adding ing to this or adding preposition before this. Okay, on opening his bag, he spread out his professional equipment. The word punctually at midnight you can add. Okay, on opening his bag punctually at midnight, he spread out his professional equipment. This is simple sentence. Punctually at midnight, he opened his bag. In this sentence, you can change the voice also. So while changing the voice, we have to know the subject of the sentence, that is doer of action he, and object his bag. So you start with the object. His bag was opened punctually at midnight by him. Opened past tense is there. So you take helping verb was or were. So answer is changing voice. His bag was opened punctually at midnight by him. So in this way, the grammatical activities that after the lesson we'll discuss or exercise will give on the basis of grammar only. So first paragraph till here we'll stop, and the next video, next explanation of the paragraph will be uploaded. Thank you.